Some football news now. JFF President Michael Ricketts and challenger Raymond Anderson are now taking aim at each other as tensions heighten ahead of the upcoming JFF elections.
When I see what is happening now, the kind of disruption that the election is causing, I am very disappointed and unhappy that he took that decision.
That statement from JFF President Michael Ricketts came last Sunday following the JFF emergency AGM. The disruption in the JFF is as a result of Raymond Anderson challenging Ricketts for the presidency, a move that Anderson says he's guilty of, but for a good reason.
If that causes a disunity, well, I'm guilty for that, because I will not sit and really allow that the Constitution that we spend so much time to really put together with the assistance of FIFA to move from 30 to 56 to get more stakeholders involved in the sport. And now we are looking like we are trying to reduce the amount to get it narrow, to have less people. And that is what really causing the problem. And my team directly will ensure that that will not happen.
Despite Anderson making his intentions clear that he'll be challenging Ricketts, the JFF boss says he's yet to hear that from his vice president. However, Anderson says it is not a surprise that he's running.
I didn't know that I have to just go out and tell people that, yes, I'm running with everybody. I know I'm planning to run from the past 4 years. And he also aware of that, because he was one of the persons who said to the stakeholder of 13 that he will just only want one full term. That was public knowledge. And that one full term will finish in 2023. So I don't think he should be surprised that someone, somewhere, will really be running for office.
In a swipe at Anderson's team, which includes former Cricket West Indies president Dave Cameron, Ricketts made this comment.
You know, somebody said to me the other day, Mr. Ricketts, well, the JFF people can't run cricket too. That's that man was see me at a gas station. So he said, no, I don't think it can work that way.
But Anderson says Ricketts could be short on history, as two former JFF presidents, Pat Anderson and Hugh Perry, have served both cricket and football, with Anderson extending to athletics.
Saying that a man at a gas station, tell him that he need to understand the whole lay of the land with sport. Sport is for everybody. No just cricketers, no footballer, no netball, everybody. Sport is for everybody.
There are also questions as to whether Anderson's team is being powered by CASAFA, as some JFF board members believe the most powerful parish association is looking to take control of the federation. But to that, Anderson says,
I am running a national campaign. So what they're not seeing, they need to come to our meeting and see the wide cross-section of people right across the island.
The JFF elections are set for January 14, 2024.